How would it feel to wake up every morning with money in your bank account without having to do anything? No 9-to-5 grind, no clocking in, no stressful meetings. Just the freedom to live life on your terms. Well, 2025 is just around the corner, and if you don't start setting yourself up for passive income now, you might find yourself stuck in the same old cycle, working hard, but not working smart. The truth is, time is ticking, and the opportunity for financial freedom is knocking. Are you ready to answer? In this video, I'm going to show you the most lucrative and smart passive income ideas for 2025 that will allow you to make money while you sleep, and yes, it's totally possible. But first, let's talk about what passive income really is, and why it's something you absolutely need to start today. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss the final strategy that can change your entire financial future. Let's start with the basics. What is passive income? And more importantly, why should you care about it in 2025? Passive income is money you earn with minimal effort after an initial investment of time, money, or both. It's income that flows in while you're on vacation, sleeping, or living your best life. It's the foundation of financial freedom, the kind of money that doesn't depend on you actively trading your time for it. Imagine receiving a paycheck every single day without having to do anything extra. Sounds like a dream, right? It doesn't have to be. Now, if you're thinking, this sounds too good to be true, or I'm not sure where to even start, that's normal. But I'm here to tell you, the earlier you start, the more you're setting yourself up for success in the future. And no, you don't need a magic money machine. Although that would be pretty cool, right? The key to passive income is leveraging systems, technology, and assets that work for you around the clock. And don't worry, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. So grab a notebook, because these ideas will blow your mind. Let's dive into your first passive income stream. 1. Real estate investing, the timeless goldmine. You've probably heard it a million times. Real estate is the key to building wealth. But here's the thing, real estate isn't just about flipping houses. In fact, there's a better, less stressful way to get into real estate without being a property mogul. I'm talking about rental properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs. Let's break it down. Rental properties allow you to earn steady cash flow month after month. And as property values appreciate, your wealth grows without you doing anything. But don't get scared just yet. Real estate can seem intimidating, but with the right strategies, it's one of the most reliable ways to earn passive income. Now, if you're thinking I don't have $100,000 lying around to buy property, don't worry. We're talking about REITs next, and you don't need a fortune to get started. REITs allow you to invest in real estate portfolios without owning physical property. You buy shares, and just like a stock, you can earn dividends, which are typically paid monthly. Imagine owning a piece of a shopping mall or apartment complex and collecting a small percentage of the profits every time rent is paid. That's passive income working for you. But here's the thing, if you don't take action now and learn how to invest in real estate even in smaller ways, you'll miss out on some of the most reliable wealth building opportunities out there. And trust me, there are a lot of people right now who are investing in real estate, quietly earning income while you're watching this video. The time is now. 2. Digital products and courses, monetizing your knowledge. Now, let's shift gears to something even more powerful, digital products. In 2025, digital courses and products are going to explode in popularity. Why? Because knowledge is a currency. And you, yes you, have value to offer. Think about it, what skills, experiences, or expertise do you have that could help others? Whether you're a fitness expert, a musician, or even someone with unique life experiences, you can create a digital product, a course, an ebook, an audio series that teaches others. Once created, these products sell themselves, creating a stream of income with little to no effort on your part. But wait, don't say you're not an expert. You don't need a PhD. You just need to be 1% ahead of the person you're teaching. You could set up an online course on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or even YouTube. The best part? Once the course is made, it runs itself. Every time someone purchases, the money rolls in. And with the power of automated marketing funnels, you can be earning money while you sleep, literally. But here's the real secret: how to create a course that actually sells. Let's dive into that in just a minute, because creating a course is one thing, but creating one that actually makes you money is a whole other skill. 3. Affiliate marketing, earning while you recommend. Next up is affiliate marketing. This is where you earn commissions by recommending products and services to others. The great part? You don't even need to create your own product. You leverage someone else's work. Amazon's affiliate program, for example, pays you a commission every time someone buys a product you recommend. And all you need is a website, a blog, or a YouTube channel, places where you already share your thoughts and ideas. Every time you recommend a product, you're essentially earning passive income. You know all those influencers posting about skincare or tech gadgets? Well, they're probably making way more than you think just by talking about their favorite stuff. But don't get jealous, let's show you how you can do the same. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start earning passive income. You promote, they buy, and you earn money. Whether you're creating YouTube reviews or writing blog posts, affiliate links can make you money while you sleep. But here's the thing, only a few do it right. I'm about to share the secret on how to pick the right affiliate products to sell. Stay tuned. 4. Stock market and dividend investing. Building wealth one share at a time. It's 2025, and it's time to start thinking about the stock market. If you're scared of investing in stocks, you're not alone. But guess what? You don't need to pick individual stocks. Dividend investing allows you to earn a passive income from your investments. With the right stocks, especially dividend-paying stocks, you can earn regular payouts that compound over time. The beauty of dividend investing is that you don't have to do anything once you've made your investments. Imagine this: getting paid while you sleep because you've invested in companies that pay you dividends every quarter. This is how the wealthy build their fortunes. Now that you've learned about some of the most powerful passive income streams for 2025, it's time for you to take action. But remember, no one gets rich by sitting around waiting. It's time to start investing your time, effort, and money in systems that will work for you. If you don't take action now, you'll be left behind. So, which passive income idea will you start with today? Don't wait. The best time to start building wealth is now. Before you go, I want to invite you to check out my video, The Ultimate Guide to Building Multiple Streams of Income. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Like this video, subscribe to the channel for more content, and comment below with the next topic you want me to cover. Let's get you financially free together.